Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the uses of metals and non-metals. Uses of metals and non-metals. So, on one side we are going to study about the uses of metals and on other side we are going to study the uses of non-metals. So, the uses of metals are firstly copper and aluminium are used to make electric wires, the wires which are used to carry electric currents. So, copper and aluminium are used to make wires. Then second is silver, gold and platinum are used to make jewelry. Silver, gold, platinum are used to make jewelry. Then iron, copper, aluminium are used to make utensils. Iron, copper, aluminium are used to make utensils. Mercury is used in thermometers. Mercury is used in thermometers. And lead is used to make electrodes. Lead is used to make electrodes. Now, let us study about the uses of non-metals. So, first use is hydrogen is used to make ammonia. Hydrogen is used to make ammonia. Then, liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used in refrigerant. Which is used to store human organs at low temperature. Then sulfur is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Sulfur is used to manufacture sulfuric acid. Sulfur is also used for making gunpowder. Sulfur is also used for making gunpowder. And there are many more uses of metals and non-metals. So, hope you have understood. Thank you.